Wallaby Dick, and welcome to another episode. Today we have a special guest coming deep dropping with us. How you going, Eli?
Good.
What's your story?
Dad said we can go fishing and I wanted to come.
That's right. Dad said the job's on.
Oh.
How are you, Corey?
Hey mate, how you going?
How are you, Matt?
Hey mate, how are ya?
Just launching out of Sussex, 6 knots, punching out. We're going to go deep and see what we can find. So we'll document it with the GoPro today, and thanks for coming along for the journey. So Corey, can you tell us a little bit about your bonito rig?
It's just a secret little rig we make up, mate, to make life really easy. Hopefully we've got one on it. We'll see how we go.
So it's got a nice little popper at the front.
Normally comes up with 6 on it, but we're only taking 1.
And just your flasher. Nice little bonito.
Here you go.
Boo, 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 boo! Boo, boo, boo! Boo, boo, boo! He's on!
Drop the line on the ground, mate, because you can try and knot. Yeah. Here's one.
Ooly dooly! Look out!
Mate, just flick that off.
Very nice. There's a de-hooker just in here.
They're all big barbless hooks.
Oh, righto. Yep.
Well, we've got a 3-hook rig, mate. We'll send it down and see what we're going to get. All right, what are we in? 400 metres of water?
400 metres of water. We're finding a little bit of bait here. Pulled up at around 400 metres. So we've come out to the canyons off JB. And if you want the specific coordinates,
Good luck.
it's not going to happen. But that bait looks really good. Get a nice close up of this sounder, Eli. There's lots going on there, which is really promising for us. And as you can see, we've got our lines going down into it. We're just going to back up a little bit onto them as well, so they get nice and vertical. Alrighty, so we've dropped straight down to the bottom and we've found the fish straight away. This electric reel's struggling a little bit. As soon as we dropped down to the bottom, didn't even have to pull it up. Still on that first drop. We're struggling to bring whatever this is up. Normally your blue eye at about 100 metres will start floating and it will get a little bit easier to bring them up.
Wine, mate, you're on. Dig, stand back, Eli.
Oh, one got off, one's floating out the back.
Where?
What, I saw something floating, it's about to come up on your right.
Oh, yeah.
Looks like a blue eye.
The blue eye.
I knew it.
One coming up there, Matt.
Yeah.
Keep an eye on it. They're good chewing.
That is a big blue eye.
Oh.
That is gorgeous, what a stonker. How's that? Oh.
Cracker. And they're better chewing than this.
Big old ocean perch.
I knew it.
What's that? Now that is a bloody good fish for the first drop. Not bad. How's that? Righto, we've got a nice big blue eye on the very first drop. We thought another one might have come off on the way up, but struggled a little bit. Went pretty hard, and they do go hard, these creatures, don't they?
Certainly do. Cracker of a little fish to start.
Yep, we'll see if we can get another one. First drop, success. Let's keep going.
Something right.
Blue eye?
Stubborn. Here we go. Ling, ling, ling.
Ling, ling, ling! Yeah! He's got his first ling! I told you had one on.
You're beauty!
Yeah! Congratulations, you got your first one. I told you where to get him. When you are fishing for ling and you're out wide, just keep your bait right on the bottom and you pull it up. Old Corey's been trying to get one for a while. Beauty! Nice big pink ling. You had to crack one.
Captain said, so I did what the captain said.
You have a fish, Eli. You have a fish.
Woo! Get it in, buddy.
Couple muscles.
You have your first ling.
What?
Yeah, keep coming. Or it's a big ocean perch.
Ocean perch.
Big ocean perch.
Big ocean
Come on,
perch,
stop.
mate. Well done.
Good job, look at that. Wow. 2 ocean perch.
Ocean perch after ocean perch for us today. Bloody incredible. Love them. Well, we've made it back to Sussex. We're all in one piece. How are you feeling, Eli? You good? We didn't achieve everything we hoped for today, but we still had a good day.
We did. There's always tomorrow.
There's always tomorrow.
Yep, bring it on.
We had a little bit of burley out. Just a little bit, not too much. Only one episode. But that concludes this one. What are we doing today, Corey?
We're in them again, mate. We're in them again. Trying to find a blue eye.
Wearable sensor that monitors glucose.
Happy Easter, everyone. Yeah, back into the blue eye today after that mission the other day. Felt like we need to fill the bags a little bit more, and we're sounding up at the moment. Getting some real nice colour coming through. Fair bit of bait. It's sitting up. Looks pretty thick. First fish is on for the morning. Hard work catching that, wasn't it?
It is.
Just sweating.
That's how we do it. I don't know how we do it.
It is a milk pond out here today. Unreal.
Keep coming. Stop.
Oh,
Big ling.
that is a big ling. Very big ling. That's bigger than the one yesterday.
What the hell's a ling?
That. You're looking at it. Hey, that's a better photo than what you got last time.
There you go.
That's a nice big fat ling.
He's an ugly looking bugger, isn't he?
I don't know what
Nice
catfish look like. There's some little red.
Just a string of reds, mate.
Hey?
String of reds.
Cool.
Full string. Yeah.
Rescue for me? Okay, I'm gonna have more to me. I'm gonna fucking reach for the sharp bit.
It's been pretty slow on the blue eye this morning. 10 o'clock, fishing till 12 today. We've got some good sign at the moment. Finally getting something that's shaking its head a little bit more on the way up. A string of more perch, I reckon. Just gonna do one more drop and we're gonna run some skippies and hope some Easter luck comes our way.
Yeah, we're on. Oh, yeah. They drive and don't stop.
Yep. Marlin on. He's jumping! He's jumping! Woo! Woo! Woo!
He's jumping!
He pulled. Nah, he's off. I don't think there was anything else I could have done then. I was pretty tired.
He wasn't.
He was jumping. Yeah. Should I try to set the hook more on him? Yeah.
Yeah, so the winning fish with a ling from outside, leg dropping, was Eli. It was 110 centimetre ling.
Yeah, buddy. Well done, big man.
Good job, buddy.
Righto, Wallaby, give us a rundown. What's been going on here?
Oh, we slowly just did what we had to do for the weekend.
Oh, it's leaking on me. Oh, no.
Drinking bin juice.
Oh, I just cleaned myself up too.
Oh, we smell good again.
We've had a bit of a presentation. Big weekend of fishing with the kids.
Cheers.
Cheers to knocking off.
Been a cracking weekend.
It's been a fantastic Easter. Thanks for having me.
It's alright, mate. Anytime.
And yeah, it was a lot of hard work out there at the shelf as well. My thumb's starting to get a little bit sore. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
See ya. Bye.
What are you going to say?
We will see you next week. We'll probably do it all over again, I reckon.
You big, fat wallaby dick.